Namaste all of you. Today I am making simple chicken fry. For that I am using half cup of oil, now I am adding 1 teaspoon of jeera, then onion, 1 big size onion, I am cooking half kilo of chicken, so for that 1 big size onion I am using, and few curry leaves. So after 3 minutes now I am adding ginger and garlic. I didn't make paste, I am using I just crushed this ginger and garlic. If you want to use paste, you can use paste also. Now I am putting half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste, then half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, so after few seconds now I am going to add the chicken. Now I am adding chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder I am adding. Now we have to fry this for 10 minutes. So after 2-3 minutes we should stir this. Now I am going to add some green chilies, this chicken fry is very easy to prepare. It will take less time only, little time only for the preparation, and the moisture of the chicken, you can see it is the chicken, it is leaving the water. Let it dry nicely till the time we have to cook the chicken. So as you can see, chicken fry is ready. In this chicken fry I am not using garam masala. Garam masala I am not using. I am using only coriander powder, roasted coriander powder and roasted cumin powder. So friends, my simple chicken fry is ready. I hope you will like this video too. Thank you for watching. Thank you friends. Take care.